Hi, welcome to Control Z. Today I'm going to show you how you can do the pixel stretching effect on Photoshop. Are you ready? Let's do it. Okay, let's do it. First, I'm going to duplicate the layer. I'm going to press Ctrl J, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the model because I'm going to move the model to the left because I want the effect running from left to right. So I'm going to have to basically cut the model, move it to the left, and then I can do a really nice effect. Or I can use a quick selection, any tool that you want, just to make a selection. I'm going to speed up the process so you don't get bored. Okay, now I'm done, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a mask. And then we got this. Okay, you can spend more time refining the mask, but for the purpose of the video I'm going to leave it like that, but you can spend more time in doing a really nice selection. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate the bottom layer, Ctrl J. So I'm going to duplicate the layer, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to press Control, and I'm going to select this mask, and I'm going to basically copy the selection, and I'm going to go to the bottom layer, and I'm going to press Ctrl J. And what it's going to do, I'm going to erase this, I don't need it. What I'm going to do, it's going to create just image with the selection that I did. Okay, so I got this selection, I'm going to put on top of it, and I got this selection now. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this square selection tool, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually follow a straight line, and basically those are the lines, the pixels that I'm going to stretch. Okay, so I'm going to start, I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to start right here, actually right here. I'm going to make a selection basically here, and then I'm going to do Ctrl J, and then Ctrl T. I'm going to press Shift, and I'm going to drag it. Let me zoom out. I'm going to drag it to the, press Shift and drag it. This is fine right there. That's okay. And then I'm going to keep going with the selection. I'm going to go back to this selection. I'm going to use the same tool. Now what I'm going to do for the leg, I want this color of the shoe actually showing, so I'm going to do that one first. Same thing, Ctrl J, and then Ctrl T, Shift, and drag it. Just remember to press Shift when you drag the selection, okay? And then I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna go to this selection. I'm gonna something black, some part of the leg, something like that. Then Ctrl J, Ctrl T, Shift, and drag it. Oops. Just like that. And then I keep going with whole body. Okay, I am done with the selections. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to merge all the layers. I'm going to go to the top layer. I'm going to press Shift, then I'm going to go all the way to the bottom of the layers, the first layer, and I'm going to press Ctrl E. And what it's going to do is going to merge all the layers, and it's going to create only one layer, that's what I want. And I'm going to put it under the model. Now I can actually move the model to the left. Right here is fine, and then I can actually move this right here. Right there is fine. Now before that, let me see. I wanna keep using this background. So what I can do, I'm gonna duplicate the bottom, and then I'm gonna press Control. I'm gonna make that selection. I'm going to go to the bottom layer, which is the background, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to with the background selected and this selection, I'm gonna go to select. I'm gonna go to modify and then expand. I'm gonna expand maybe, I think if 5 pixels is fine. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to edit, fill, and then let me bring. I got 2 screens, so let me bring this one over here so you guys can see it. I'm gonna go to content aware. So, and then I just press OK, and let's see. Let me see, and Control D to I'm gonna deselect that. And I think it's pretty good. I like it. You know, you can, like I said, you can fix it. I'm gonna show you how you can fix it. You can actually use the stand tool and actually start like fixing better this background like this. You see, you can press Alt to make a selection and actually, let me see. I think pretty much I like it though. I'm gonna leave it like that. And now we got this, and then we got these 2 layers. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the pixels, you know, and then I'm gonna press Control T. Then I can actually press this, or you can go inside the selection and press, you know, right click and then distort or wrap, whatever you wanna do. I'm gonna just use this one. Then I'm gonna press OK, and then I'm just gonna erase everything in the back. I'm gonna take the erasing tool, erasers, and then I'm just gonna erase everything right here. That's kind of cool. And actually what you can do, actually you can play with even the blending mode. Let me show you. You can try different blending modes. You want to add a different look, you see, you can change everything. Look, so this way you can add different cool looking pixels. That one's cool. I'm gonna leave it in normal. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change the fill so it is not that, you know, dry. Let me see, and I think I'm gonna leave it like that. Actually, you press Ctrl I to invert it. It's kind of like a neon looking, but I'm gonna leave it like that. Let me see, I'm gonna add a solid color. I'm gonna add something orangey, something like that. Then I'm gonna change the blending mode. Let me go, I'm gonna go overlay. I think I'm gonna go overlay, and I'm gonna change the fill. Just to add a kind of like an orangey color. It's gonna be after and before. And that's it. Really simple, right? I hope you like it. This is how you add the stretching pixel effect on Photoshop. I hope you like the video. See you in the next one, and don't forget, don't stop creating. Thank you.